Hi guys, how is everyone's day going? I really hope you all are having a fantastic day. This is motivation speaker named Mr. Adam Blake. Anyway, today's title of this video is using your own gifts for your benefits. Okay, so right now I just wanted to inform you all. You all have wonderful gifts. And I really want you guys to use those gifts for your own advantage. That is the whole concept about this video. Okay, so I plan on giving you some information on how to make those gifts happen. Okay, so some people may have different gifts. Okay, those different gifts do include music. Maybe people are talented at music, like playing this. Maybe somebody is very talented of playing their guitar. Maybe somebody has a talent in singing. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, what's up, guys? I got a talent in singing. All right, so again, we all can see we have different talents. Okay, maybe some people have talents in building stuff, like building a building. Or maybe doing construction work, or doing plumbing work, or doing all types of different works. Maybe someone's gift is math, like Bill Nye the Science Guy, Bill Nye the Science Guy, woo! Yeah, maybe someone's interested in science and math, and that's great because those people can go into engineering. Maybe some people's gifts are in the business people, like the business world, like customer service. Okay, but my own advice for you guys to use any type of gifts you have to benefit your own self and also benefit the people around you. Okay. Now imagine if you are going to work, okay, you really want to be excited about getting up inside the morning and going to work, because whenever you get out of high school, you pretty much focus on your own career and then also your own job for life. So it's just very important to sort of like explore your own options after high school as well. Some people explore their own options and find out, okay, I want to go to trade school and sort of learn a trade, or maybe I want to go and study at the University of Pennsylvania or something like that, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? If anybody is telling you that you cannot do anything, don't listen to them, because you can do anything if you put your mind to it, right? Put your mind to it and make it happen. That is exactly what I did. I discovered that I have a gift in talking to people. I love people. I love interacting with people, and plus I also have a gift in talking in front of an audience, doing public speaking. Like literally, public speaking is the number one fear of a lot of people. But whenever I get up there on stage, I can do it, and that is never a problem. But I sort of use my own that own gift, and so I opened my own company I am the CEO and president of APP Public Speaking Company. You all can check out my website at adampblank.com. I really want to expand my own business, and I really want to touch other school districts about anti-bullying. I really want to talk about anti-bullying, and also talking about teacher appreciation, about what teachers can do to influence people's lives. And so I take my own experience, and so I put it out of the open, and so I talk about my own experience, and that's how I won my own company. But getting back onto your own gifts, I want you guys to expand your own horizon, figure out what types of things you really enjoy doing. I mean, and so you want to take those things you're good at and sort of enjoy, and build a life around them, and also build a career around them. Because if I was, okay, for example, if I was a accountant, if I worked inside the business world as a accounting person, I know that I would not enjoy it, because I have taken an accounting class, and guess what? It's very hard and very boring to me. And so I took a public speaking class, and guess what? I loved it. So I'm using my gifts for my advantage. So, but guys, I want to be honest with you all. Okay, every person is created differently, and everybody has different personalities, and I really encourage you guys to use your own personalities for your own good, because that's how we are going to make a better workforce, and better government, and better everything around this world. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a list. Yes, a list of like people that use their gifts for their advantage, like Robert Williams. Okay, Robert Williams was a Hollywood actor. Yes, he was a fantastic actor. He really knew his audience. He knew what he wanted to say, and whenever he said it, nobody was expecting that response. And he was one of those actors that thought on his feet a lot, and so he used that, and so he started out as a stand-up comedian. And Robert Williams ended up doing that, and so now unfortunately Robert Williams is not with us anymore. I feel very bad about that, but other good actor is Tim Allen. Tim Allen is Mr. Family Guy. He was a star in a lot of Disney movies like Toy Story 3, Toy Story 1. He ended up doing the Santa Claus, and he started out as a comedian, and then back in 1979 he got under arrested for drug porn there. But he came back after that, and so now he runs his own show, and so he's now a very well-known movie star. But really think about that, okay? If society did not have Tim Allen or Robert Williams or like number of the actors that we have, this world would be different. So I think everybody is special in their own way, and the fun part is to try to find out why you're special, and sort of try your hardest to figure out a career that works out for you. I mean, that's very important. But yeah, so I encourage you all to just try your hardest to make things happen, okay? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then I will be posting on some of my channel inside a couple weeks. Okay, take care now, guys. Enjoy. Bye-bye.